Namaskaram friends. So in this video I am going to talk about devotion. A core you can say core topic or core title of today's lecture is devotion. So what is devotion? Where did word come from? What it actually means and where it is practiced? It is an experience or whatever it is actually. So see, devotion is a thing that means you without thinking anything you are devoted towards a subject or an object or a human being or any life form. So devotion is generally used in our religion. That means devoted towards God. That means do not think anything, just put, or you can say give each and every burden, each and every problem of yours to the God. So devotion come here, but it is a very wrong perception. It is a very wrong perception because people think that devotion means do not take responsibility. No, devotion means take full responsibility. You devote yourself to the God and take the responsibility of the whole world in terms of solving problem, in terms of gaining knowledge, and God help you in achieving this. Okay, so this is a wrong perception set up in our mind that we have to, devotion means we have to go to temples, do worship, do chants, do various things and come home and do not take any responsibility and relax. No, devotion means either you do practice or not, either you do worship or not, either you do this or that not, but take responsibility of the problem of the world. Because when you take responsibility of the problem of the world, then you know the, you can say, magnanimity or you can say sophistication of your mind, or both ways. Either you want to solve any problem or either you want to gain any knowledge. In both ways, when you try to handle difficult situation and complex situation, many dimensions of your mind opening at once. Okay, and devotion does not mean sometimes you do, sometimes that means it is not logical. That means it is a logically correct or not. Devotion is a type of emotion which come within you when you touch the subtle dimension of life, and very few people are able to touch this dimension because this dimension required a lot of, you can say, dedication, devotion, and keeping your body in a good state. So it is, you can say, pronounce it in a wrong term, or it is used as a negative term in terms of devotion. Devotion, that means devoted towards something and do not take responsibility of it. No, devotion means devoted toward whatever you do, whatever you want to know, and but take responsibility of the each and everything. Let's say, for example, I talk about devotion. So people go to temples, devote about let's say you go to temples, you devote towards God, do worship, do this and that, and come out and forgot everything, and you that God will do everything. No, this is a good thing. That means God is present in everywhere, in each and every creation, each and every dimension, but it is the responsibility, that means you have to take responsibility. God will help you and you are itself a God. Okay, so why you, whatever you have, your capacity have, whatever the situation have, in which surroundings you are living, try to do your best at that time, at that situation. Okay, this is the, you are the God. Okay, temples, ritual, these are important because at these places we, through gatherings and through doing things in a group, we do things which we are not capable of doing alone. So that's why gathering, temples, gurudwara, churches, mosques are needed. That means at time to time people remind themselves that you are the God and you have to take responsibility, what type of responsibility you are capable of and what type of not. So when people work in union, when people take responsibility and work in union, everything going fine. There is no, you can say, fight going on the basis of religion, but there is have to be a celebration on the basis of religion, because each and every individual have a unique God or different God. For each and every individual experience is different, so for each and every God is different. But truth, when people touch the truth, they know that on the basis of truth, when they want to combine, there is no conflict, there is no fight going on in the whole world on the basis of religion, on the basis of race, caste, sex or place of birth. Okay, so devotion is important, because through devotion people reach to the core of the creation and do what a normal human being without devotion cannot able to do. Because so devotion is a dimension. Devotion is a dimension. If you touch it, you do things very fantastically and very, you can say, in a very complex and very sophisticated manner. Okay, when you travel here and there, so you see people of different types of religion and different types of ritual practices they carry, and they do it on the daily basis without a miss. Okay, so this is a devotion. That means whatever you do, it does not mean to that you go to temple. Even in your whole life you does not even go to a temple, but if you devoted towards work, whatever you do, you reach this dimension, and or you can say you understand this dimension. Because for example, let's say I want to study, I seek I want to solve the every problem of the world and gain all types of knowledge. So in search of it, this is my, you can say, religion. That means I want to know each and every mystery of the creation. If I make this is my religion, so from an atom to the cosmos, everything has to be in my perception, everything has to be in my knowledge, because if not, then how can I know each and everything about the creation? Okay, so in this manner, if I want to know, I travel, so I see atom, I see grass, I see birds, I see air, water, soil, fire, space, trees, leaves, fruit, vegetables, flowers, everything. So I try to, so many questions come up in our mind. What is the life? What is life? What is flower? What is all this thing? How we understand it? Okay, because if I want to understand a flower, I see it, I experience it, I feel it, I smell it, but because I am a life form, so I experience this life form as part of myself. But if I want to know actually what it is, so for that I have to become a flower and experience it. But since I know that I am also life form and I connect to the flower in terms of life form, so when I want to, you can say, acknowledge that no, I want to know what is flower, I want to become a flower and experience it. In this manner, you want to know everything and you want to become everything, from an atom to cosmos and everything in between. You want to become everything through experience, because what I experience become part of myself. Okay, so if I know this knowledge, that's what I experience. Let's say I go to a lake, okay, and I sit here for some time, so I experience a different dimension, and it is only experienced through this machine, through this mechanism. So I understand that if I want to know a life of a flower, life of a plant, life of a bird, life of insect, life of a grass, or life of whatever, an atom or whatever, so I have to become that, because what they experience is the best. So in this manner, you can say a philosophy or thought, or thought come that I am present. If I want to know everything, I have to present in everywhere. Okay, so I try to make effort to try to live in each and every life form, each and every inanimate object, so that I experience them as I am a rock and experience what is their experience in their lives. So in this manner, a thought comes that I am the creator, I am present everywhere, I am present in from the beginning of the cosmos to the end of the cosmos, before its beginning, before its end. I am the whole cosmos, each and every star, each and every galaxy, each and every solar system, every cluster, super cluster, everything is me, because I want to know everything, and the instrument through which I experience, I know them, is to become that only. If I want to know myself, I experience it. If I want to know about the life of plant, I have to become life of the plant, so that I understand, experience its misery, its concern, its limitation, its advantages. So, but since I am a life form, and on a gross level, I do not become a tree. But when I understand that I am the tree, I am the grass, I am the life, I am everything. I am a time, I am a space, I am a creator, I am a preserver, I am a destroyer, I am knowledge, I am power, I have wealth, I have everything. That means whatever processes are going on, whatever things available, be it physical, non-physical, at each and every moment, what type of infinite activity is going on, I am present in everywhere. I am present in each and every moment. I am present in each and every form. I am present in form, in a non-form dimension, in a formless dimension. Whatever question you have, I am the question. I have the solution. What I want to know, I am also the creator of the problem, and I am also the creator of the solution. That means when you reach this dimension, means whatever thought come in your mind, it's created by you. Whatever solution you provide, it's created by you. Okay, so truth is a thing which is the solution of every problem, and truth is you are the creator. And if you really want to experience it, not just word, if you really want to experience it in your this life form also, you experience it through meditation, through travel, through yoga, through spirituality. Okay, when you meditate, you actually travel wherever you want. There is no other instruments in the whole world which are capable of going as far as possible in the past, in the future, and in each and every moment in infinite dimension. Only your mind is capable of that. When you close your eyes and when you meditate, you reach to the core of creation, wherever you want to go, be it in past, as many as you can say behind you go, it is possible. In future, as much far away as you want to go, it is possible. And through this meditation only, we know that, we experience that cosmos is beginningless and endless. There is no, you can say, starting point, there is no end point. Okay, and what is time? That means each and every moment going on. When you draw a picture, try to understand by mathematics, by calculation, by drawings, by sculptures, it is a thing through which you can understand, but actually it is going on each and every moment. Okay, whatever types of experience come in this moment in your life is a time. That means you have a limited amount of time. How do you know? Because at each and every moment, day happen, night happen, people take birth, people die, people do this and this activity. That means we understand this by seeing people. That means many people dead. We know that since in our experience we do not experience the death. So in actuality we know death by experiencing the death of other life people. Because we are present in everywhere, no? We are present in everywhere, in birth, in life, in death, in each and every moment, in each and every dimension, in each and every form, from beginningless to endless. Okay, from the surface to core, we are everywhere. Whatever you think we are. So if you want to experience it by this mechanism only. When you try to take yourself into different form and experience it, you can experience it also, but this is the most evolved, most sophisticated machine on this planet Earth. Okay, so through this you, whatever you are capable of understanding, if you have a question in our mind about creator, about creation, about God, that means you reach to that dimension, or you touch that dimension which are capable of opening the solution of problem which you created in your mind. And it is present in the nature, it is present in the space, it is present in the creation. Solution of every problem present in the creation. Whatever type of knowledge you want to know, present in every creation. People take clue, ideas from the creation and implement in their life. Whatever you think of, in terms of scripture, in terms of knowledge, in terms of time, in terms of plants, animal, whatever you think of, whatever type of query come into your mind, you are capable of solving it by your own. Okay, so you can say we need help of other people or not, it is debatable. But if you want to know the experience of on the same issue, if you want to know experience of other people or a large group of people, union is required. Okay, because each and every individual experience differently, but also connected with you. So either by talking to them, either by make a sitting with them or not, you are capable of knowing anything. Because through meditation you can go wherever you want. It is not normal for other human beings to show you, to see you, or to tell you, or to talk to you, but you present in every talk, you present in every form, whatever people do, whatever not do, in dynamism, in stillness, present both where. Okay, in infinity, in zero, present. That means wherever you talk of whatever type of teaching, whatever type of philosophy, whatever type of spirituality you are talk about, you are present in everywhere. So I hope this is a small lecture on devotion. You understand it and you appreciate it. So, namaskaram. Thank you.